guys, this is April 3rd. I'm still in the same place because when I look outside you will understand when I show you. Let's take a look. Snowstorm and wind, and it does not look pretty. Visibility 300 meters. So it's windy, blowing storm, and just fucking terrible. Because I really have nothing to do, so what I do right now, I'm playing some computer games. Can you imagine? I mean, I found something, you know, interesting. It's called Guitar Hero 3. Too much snow. Too much snow will kill you. Oh, I'm just tired of this winter. Please, winter, go away. I don't want you here. Ugh. So I have a pizza from yesterday, and I'm basically in troubles. So, actually what happened, the power outage in the entire town, you can see everything in the town is dark because of we have a crazy thunderstorm in this area. Not even a snowstorm. You can see there is no traffic lights. The highway is dark, everything is dark in this area. We have blowing snow. And it doesn't look nice, guys. I have to tell you, it doesn't look nice. It's basically dangerous. I don't know, because if the conditions does not improve, it looks like I may be grounded in this place for quite a long time. So I will have to ask for help, some people, and I don't know, really, honestly, I have no idea where to go, because it looks like right now, you know, taking photos and all this stuff. Everything is dark. The power outage, power is gone in the entire town and everywhere else. So tomorrow it will be probably the same. So I'm going to shut down my computer because the battery is almost exhausted. You can see I was playing some games. I just need to relax at some point. I just downloaded this game today. Yes, you want to exit. So we have a power outage. It's about 8 p.m. so just after sunset. Doesn't look nice. We are in troubles. I have a battery like 18% of my computer battery, so almost no entertainment, just in case the power outage happened for a longer time. My phone was actually charging, so I'm also probably something like 50% of my phone, but I have my battery, like just in case I have another, how do you call it, power accumulator, whatever, some battery I can use like externally, and it doesn't look nice, guys. The plows are on the way, trying to plow the highway. Doesn't look nice. So what I can do to have some light, I will use my, it's on this side. My lamp. It's good to be ready for everything, you know. At least I have some lamp. Wow, that's what I'm using in my tent, to have a light. And okay, now it's time to turn on my phone and call some people to let them know that we have a power outage and the situation can go even worse. So we'll see how it goes, and I don't know really about tomorrow. Probably I will change a motel or something, because this is really crazy. The situation is very bad. I have something like 45 kilometers to the next town. Between that there is nothing, and I don't want to be in troubles because the conditions are difficult. So see you. Maybe it's the last video for right now, but we'll see how it goes. So here I am. Maybe you can see the power outage actually started probably, I don't know, 7 p.m. Right now it's almost midnight, so the temperature is going down. It's something serious because I called the number and they told me the power outage will last longer, much longer, and the temperature in the room is going down very quickly. And right now it's probably, I have a thermometer then for heating, but obviously the heating doesn't work. It shows just a little above 10 degrees, and within hours it will be much colder, because outside is probably around -10 with wind to -20 because of the crazy wind. So I'm just starting to dress up with my warmer clothes, and probably within an hour or two, if I don't go, if it's if the temperatures go down, I'll take off my sleeping bag. But I was in my bed, it should be warmer, but I'll dress up and wait for power. The power at the moment is should be restored at 4 o'clock in the morning. And I don't know what about tomorrow. Maybe I won't go because I don't have supplies for the road. I mean, no Powerade, no water. The road is covered with snow. We have a crazy wind, and really, honestly, I don't know, because the weather for the next few days should be just like that, and it will be probably more reasonable to stay inside. So my battery in my camera is almost empty because of the low temperature. Low temperature kills the battery very quickly. So see you guys. I will try to record some updates when I get power, and I hope everything will be fine.